Don't be shy if you want to come learn mudding. This is the stuff that makes hundreds of thousands of dollars. Everything else carpenter can do. Don't be mad if I hit you with the fucking mud.
Oh, it's all good. I'm not gonna melt.
This is called Fusion Max. 100% fiberglass. It's a mesh.
Still rippable though.
What's that?
Still rippable though.
Yeah. Well, I just cut it actually.
Right.
You're probably not ripping it.
It's way better than paper.
Way better than paper and way better than mesh. And
Still so through like a mesh too.
yep. It's almost like a crash compression membrane is how I usually describe it to folks.
Yeah. So we used to put down the concrete. We're doing tile work.
Yes, sir.
Something very similar to that.
Yes, sir. So I have to describe it correctly now. It's almost like a stocking, you know, it goes completely through. Mechanically bonds to the face of the board with the mud. Surface prep is everything. You see how I took that all the way down to the raw board versus just building on top? Because every 16th of an inch that you're leaving behind is one more build area. Which is one thing that's new construction, but when it's already there,
Yeah, you got to
you're working with, yeah. So you something like that. It has its own idiosyncrasies, but it's the best stuff I've seen come out on the market.
You have somebody else doing work.
Everything's fine. Now I'm checking here, so this steel's gonna be all over the place. So my goal is actually just keep the footprint uniform.
What minute mud is this one?
This is 5. I'm cheating.
5 minutes?
Yeah, this is 5 minutes. I did use some dirty water, just mix it with warm dirty water, and then I tempered it with some cold, because I forgot what I was doing. To give myself just a little bit more time. Now typically I'll actually do this first coat with a trowel. Because the trowel doesn't lie. It doesn't let you flex as much. Like it's like a dart. Once it's there, it's there. But because it doesn't flex, when you're working on a ceiling like this in a mobile home, and you're working in between different areas, it starts becoming a judgment call. So I just decided to kind of make it this time. And you're not supposed to actually worry. So I'm actually teaching about how it right now. You're not supposed to worry about how it looks on this big coat. Basically, what you're trying to do is you're just trying to hold all the same plane, okay? But I can cheat, so I do. So I'm gunning it on the back, cut with the edge, hold with this. And then here's another trick, especially working with this. I'm going to flex that, but at an angle. I'm actually flex it down and pull it right across. See how it just smooth all that out.
Right.
Once I hit it with the sponge, it already guards all this. We're going to see it. Yeah, I put out the videos on social media. It helps with our online presence.
Take it down the other mud, put the ease in there, so I can make sure there.
That's what you do. I'd like to get one to them. Just one more piece of equipment. Yeah. after it dries. Time won't be perfect naturally.